Okay, here we have it. The noodle is still drying, but what we can do at this point is go ahead and airbrush it. So I have a cookie sheet here, and I've got some extra paper towels. I'm going to just take it off this damp paper towel and go ahead and spread it out just a little bit more on here. And what we want to do is turn this white noodle into something more like this that looks a little bit more like straw. And you can actually see that this one's already dried again, so it's nice and crunchy. All right. And we can take these little bits on there too. Okay, so take my airbrush, pop it on, take a little bit of a brown, just a tiny, tiny bit of brown, hardly any in there, and then take a yellow airbrush color and fill it up with yellow. And then always have a paper towel handy that you can actually spray it on there. What you want to do is spray it and then actually kind of move it around a little bit. Okay, and then we could just take a little bit more brown. And make it just a little darker now. You know, if you prefer it more on the yellow side, not so brown, that's completely up to you. Mix it up a little bit. And then what I would do is just go ahead and let this dry until it's completely hard. Like this. Okay. Always clean your airbrush out. So the excess food coloring you can kind of put on a paper towel, and then I go ahead and I submerge this in water, take it out and keep spraying. And you should spray on your paper towel until it comes out clean. They also have the airbrush cleaners on the market that you can pour in there also. I just use water though usually. So let me get this out of the way, bring my cake back and my flowers that we made earlier, and we'll be all ready to decorate this cake. I've decided that this is going to be the front of my cake because I like that side the best. What I want to do is have a few flowers. Ooh, this is perfect right there. Okay, what I need to do is actually support that flower behind it. So I'm going to use chocolate fondant and just take a little piece of the fondant, start with it in a ball, and it's going to be a little mound that'll go behind the flower, and the flower can actually sit on it. So place a little bit of water underneath it. Then I'm going to just stick that on. Don't push too hard because you don't want your cake to be all smooshed. Okay, and then I'm actually going to take a little bit of royal icing and place it behind my flower and pop it right on the mound. Okay, even though it's made out of gum paste, I still have to be careful and make sure that I don't break any of the petals. Okay, so that's one. That's what it looks like behind it so far. Okay. And what I want to do is take another one. I think I'm going to use another big one. See, I have a variety of sizes here. And let's see.